Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to completely disable Google Discover on Android. It's really simple and easy. To do this, you have to long press on your home screen, then click on this settings. Now you have to look for a toggle called Google Discover on some phones and tap on it to disable Google Discover. It's possible that the home screen app or the Android launcher on your smartphone doesn't have this option. In that case, you can disable Google Discover from the Google app itself. For that, open the Google app on your phone. From here, tap on your profile picture and click on this settings. And from here, you have to scroll down and you will see this option other settings. Just simply click on it and you will see this discover. You have to toggle this off. You can enable or disable this Google Discover. After this, you can still access Google search. Google Discover also appears inside the Google Chrome browser installed in your Google device. You can disable that from there. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to completely disable Google Discover on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.